Australia, mid-1990s. Ronald Pegg was using his computer with floppy disks, running DOS 6 and Windows 3 when he came across this upgrade which added a disk drive and this CD-ROM. A few years later he purchased this CD-ROM. In July 1998 he was viewing this CD-ROM when he noticed something odd. So he grabbed a Bible, opened it and read, "In the middle and round about were four beasts. A sea of glass sparkling like crystal. The first was like a lion, the second like a calf, the third a face of a man, and the fourth like an eagle in flight." Verse 5:1 then states that it was sealed with 7 seals. Confounded, Pegg checked the CD-ROM, but it wasn't a religious one, simply about 6 ancient civilizations of the Mediterranean before Christianity came along. So the CD-ROM is not about Christianity. Examining the Bible further, he found that both Daniel and Ezekiel describe similar 4 great beasts, up from the sea, a lion, a man, an ox, and an eagle. Investigating further, over 220 descriptions were found that matched to CD-ROM pictures. Ronald Pegg asserts that the Book with 7 Seals mystery has been solved. Our book and online workshop allow you to investigate this for yourself by first extracting descriptions, then checking for their original Hebrew and Greek meanings. Then from the CD-ROM, over 80 pictures are presented for evaluation. Your quest is to compare biblical descriptions to CD-ROM pictures and to input your own response to each, such as sea of crystal, 4 beasts, a lion, a calf, a man, an eagle, 7 seals. Upon completion of the 220 descriptions, will your score validate Pegg's claim? Purchase our book, then conduct your interactive workshop. Available from our online bookshop, thepeggproject.com/B7S.